December 23rd, 2017. Don't you think it's interesting that Saudi Arabia has given citizenship to Sophia, and Saudi Arabia is the one that chops off heads, and Sophia will enforce the one world currency, and if you don't take it, you'll be beheaded according to Revelation 13:18, I think it is. But you know, there are no straight lines in clouds. We all know that, right? And there are little straight lines here, but people are fooled, and this probably has something to do with the 5G. I don't know, but another thing is Sophia means wisdom, right? Sophia means wisdom, and Satoshi also means wisdom. Satoshi is the name given to the so-called person who developed blockchain, but he is unknown, right? Unknown. No one knows him, so we can't trust who that person is, and obviously it was AI that created the blockchain. And Nakamoto means center of origin. So Satoshi, wisdom, center of origin of wisdom. So, you know, people who are proponents of artificial intelligence, they love this, and they think that artificial intelligence will know everything. So look at all these lines just appearing now, straight lines at an angle, and they're ugly now, they're gray. Anyway, there's a bicycle road, and all this is turning gray now. Anyway, the sidewalk ends and the world will end. We're told that it will end. Look up 2 Peter, where it says the world will end in fire. Everything will burn up. All the works on the earth, in the earth, will burn up. So it's being created now. So don't get your head chopped off. It might be, I mean, if you get your head chopped off because you don't accept the mark of the beast or the implant for Bitcoin or the cashless system, it might be scary, but it'll be over in an instant, and we're gonna die anyway, so who cares? Be with Jesus, be with the Lord who created everything. Okay, there's a white one appearing up here. So the sky is actually covered, and this pink stuff was 360. So now that the sun has come up, it's coming up over there, it's starting to turn all gray. But it's still being added. So there's a film, it's blue, it looks blue, but it's not. Not many birds flying around, are there? And this is daybreak. I think I hear one. This sky is ugly. It's a mess. Horrible. Okay. Okay, world ends. Thanks for watching. God bless everyone with truth. Bye for now.